Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ann. So today I'm going to do a review and try on for hot roller from two different brands. One's T3, one is Conair. I bought them myself, so definitely not sponsored. I'm gonna give my honest opinion on these two. I also did a lot of research and watch a bunch of different videos. Make sure I follow the correct steps because I don't want to give a negative review on something simply because of user error. And I also add my first impression video so you can see how confused I am. So if you're considering buying a hot roller and want to know the pros and cons for these two different brands and want to know how to correctly use a hot roller, keep watching. So the first one is T3. Packaging is really nice, looks luxurious, and gold and black is classic. So the problem starts when I plug it in. I was like, so how do I know when it's ready? The menu shows something like I can't find the menu right now, but I remember the menu shows something like sparkle on top. So I was like looking, nope, I don't see anything. And then I watch a YouTube. I find out, oh, so when there's a great light, it means it's ready. I mean, now that I know it, I can see the gray light, but if nobody ever tell me, I thought it had been there like just like that. The clip, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like, I've tried to follow the step, like use a longer one beneath the roller, but still, it's not really secure. The last problem is that it doesn't make curl. It seems like this one requires more skill because first of all, when you roll your hair, you make sure it doesn't go over the end. Not like the other one, it can go over the other. It's still okay. But this one, no. Also, you have to press like firmly to the edge. Oh yeah, this is not made by this. This is made by the other one. The version can hold a lot more hair and create volume, so sounds pretty good. So it comes with the instruction. Oh, it's like a cute envelope. It's all about details. I used to write this because my major was technical communication, which basically just means you writing a user manual in a language that everybody understands. I went into all the beauty and then got this one because it has multiple different sizes. And another interesting is that even the clips is heated, so it definitely gonna make curl. So I was pretty happy. I watched some YouTube before I even tried it. It seemed that every single one complained saying the heated clip burns because it's not secure, it's not stable at all. It burned their face. That sounds pretty scary. That's the biggest one, and that's their clip. I mean, of course, it's not secure at all, and this thing is just a plastic. It transfers heat, especially if it's loose. Even though you try to pull it away from your face, I mean, your hand is gonna touch it accidentally or it's gonna burn. Oh my god. So I decided not to use these. This one works for this, so I use this clip to secure these. And you're saying the light turn white, then blah blah blah. I was looking at it because I took some roller out. I was looking at it. I was like, where is the white thing? Turned out, among all those rollers, there's only one that has an LED light here. So when that turns on, means it's ready. But I accidentally take this one off. Sure, it's really save time or waste time. Normally I use those kind of roller. It's non-heated, but it works great. See how secure this holds. See, that's called secure. Because that one is so loose and the root is still flat, so I still need to use something else to lift the root up. So I will put some heat protector. This is my favorite, the hot toddy. It's a heat and UV protector. Texture spray. You can tell the difference already. Now I like to comb my hair. I don't think it has a on and off button, so as soon as you plug in, it starts. But one thing they complain about is kind of scared me is the burning part. But I don't want damage to my hair, and I have zero tolerance to pain and burn. I pretty much did my hair. I look crazy, but oh my god, I think it takes longer than I just use curling iron to see. And you can unroll it in an opposite direction whatsoever. Yeah, it definitely gives you the curl. Wow. I guess I've never used some like that kind of heat on my hair, so maybe even some people used to it. Yeah, just let it fall. I don't care. I don't plan to use it ever again, so just let it fall. So it does give you the curl, but because the way it's designed, it's very hard to be close to your scalp. So on this part, it's still not like up. I guess if you just take it over. I went out to get some grocery and came back, and those curls are gone. I'll see you next time.